Dear students, today we have to read a new chapter, that is chapter 5, magnetism and matter. So, first of all, we have to know what is the definition of a magnet. A substance which has both attractive property and directive property, is known as a magnet. जो सब्सटेंस रो आकर्षण और विकर्षण दीटा आक थी ताको कौन लिखी पारे आमे मैग्नेट लिखी पारे. So the property by virtue of which the attraction occurs and the substance itself in a definite direction, that is north and south. जो substance attractive property थी और नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन से शो करथो सी प्रॉपर्टी थिया ई दीटा का प्रॉपर्टी थिया सब्सटेंस को कोन लिखि परिया हमें मैग्नेट ओली कहि परिया. And the magnet is of two types, that is natural magnet and another is artificial magnet. Natural magnet means if the property of the magnetism occurs naturally is called as natural magnet, and the artificial prepared magnet inside the laboratory are called as artificial magnet. The artificial magnets are regular in shape and strong attractive property. Those magnets which are prepared artificially, they have again two characters. They have definite, that is regular shape and size, and they have a strong attractive property. And their magnetic property is retained permanently. एमानकर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी गुड़िक पेरामानेंट चिरस्थायी. The artificial magnets can be demagnetized. आर मैग्नेटिक प्रकृति आम हरई पारिया चाहिए बाय हीटिंग मेथड. जदि गोटे मैग्नेट को आम हाई टेम्परेचर रे हीट करिया इट लॉस इट्स मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी. एंड सेकंड वन इज by hammering it जेकोन सोटा मैग्नेटिक पीस टाकू जदि आम हाथुड़ पिटिवा तेरे तार मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी से हरई देव. एंड by throwing it repeatedly on the floor, जदि चट्टाण को आम कंटिन्यूअसली बाड़ेवा तेबे मध्य से कौन हम निजर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी हरई देव. Generally, magnets are of so many types, that is a bar magnet. Bar magnet means it just looks like as a bar having one is south pole and another is north pole. This is called as bar magnet. Another is called as magnetic needle, looks like this. This is the vertical stand. One side is south pole, another side is north pole. It is called as magnetic needle also. And another type of magnet called as horseshoe magnet, like this. This is called as a horseshoe magnet. One is south pole, another is north pole. And another type of magnet that is called as ball ended magnet. this is ball ended magnet. Two ends becomes just like a balls. One is south pole, another is north pole. But in plus 2 level we have to read only maximum about bar magnet. Again, this artificial magnet is also classified into two parts. Artificial magnet, you see, artificial magnet is classified into two parts, that is permanent magnet and another is temporary magnet. Permanent magnet means hardness steel and certain magnetic alloy like cobalt, tungsten, steel, etc. when magnetized retain their magnetism indefinitely. And these permanent magnets are used in electrical instrument, our earphone जोटा कि हमारे मोबाइल रे यूज होची, moving coil, loudspeaker, these are made up of permanent magnet. And what is temporary magnet? Iron or soft steel will retain magnetism so long as the magnetizing force is applied. And these are used in generator, motor, electrical bell, etc. And the main advantages of temporary magnet is we can control the amount of magnetism in the magnet. अरे केतिकी अनुपात रे जो मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी थाए we can control it, but in case of permanent magnet we cannot control the magnetism of the magnet. आर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए मध्य आम कंट्रोल करि परिया नहीं, but temporary magnet रो we can control it. Now this is a bar magnet. A bar magnet has two poles, that is north pole and south pole. A freely suspended bar magnet, जदि गोटे बार मैग्नेट को बांधिकी आम फ्रीली सस्पेंडेड करिया, it always aligns in ns direction, that is the north pole is directed towards north, geographical north, and south pole is directed towards the geographical south. A bar magnet attracts the magnetic material like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. and it is called as the attractive property of the magnet. The attracting property is greatest at the pole and it is gradually decreases towards the center. Center आड़ को जुआ समय रे attracting power कमी कमी जुओ, and at the center it is always zero. A bar magnet has two poles, that is north pole and south pole. That is, the monopole cannot be exist. Monopole means single pole cannot be exist in case of a bar magnet. Why? Let this is a bar magnet, and this bar magnet is cut into 3 pieces or 4 pieces. If we cut a bar magnet into 3, 4, 5 pieces, then each piece behaves as a new bar magnet, and hence the monopole cannot be exist. And this is the basic difference in between electricity, electrostatics and magnetostatics. In electrostatics there must be a mono charge, either positive charge or negative charge, but in magnetostatics monopole cannot be exist, means a single pole केबे रहिबनी. Both north pole and south pole lie just inside the magnet. मैग्नेट जस्ट टिके भितर को तुम नॉर्थ आउ साउथ पोल थी. When a piece of substance like iron, steel, nickel, etc. is placed on a magnet, it acquires the magnetism, and the magnetism acquired is known as induced magnetism. Induced magnetism. Induced means developed. जदि गोटे बार मैग्नेट ऊपर आम गोटे आल्पिन एमती रखा. After some time the alpine behaves as a magnet. Such type of magnetism is known as induced magnetism, and this is all about introduction of magnetism matter.